How to upload products in bulk. Click on Products. Go to More Actions and click on Import. Click on Import Products. Download the bulk upload spreadsheet. Add your category details in the Categories tab. Add your product details in the Products tab. Add your product variant details in the Variants tab. You can view the options available for your variants in the Options tab. Once you are done, save and upload the spreadsheet. Click on Refresh. You have successfully updated your products in bulk.